Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So in the Arabic lesson today, we are going to continue with the broken plurals. We were doing the number, which was one of the properties of ism, and in number we did the singular, pair, and then the plural. And in the plural, we were doing the broken plurals in which the original form of the word is changed to make the plural. And we can know only if it's a broken plural or not by knowing the vocabulary, by knowing the meaning of that word. So now the broken plurals, they are divided into two types. One of them is a human broken plural, and the other is a non-human broken plural. And by the name, we know that what the human and non-human broken plurals would be. So in the human, like we have rasulun, and it's converted into rusulun by removing the vav, so it's a broken plural and it's a human broken plural, right? And alim basically is the one like a teacher or something, and then ulama, this is also like a broken plural for that. So these are the examples of human broken plurals. And then there are the non-human broken plurals, which are basically different things which are converted, or places like these kind of things that that are not human basically. So masjidun, the broken plural for that was masajid. So and then qalam, the broken plural was aqlam, and then kitabun, kutub. So this is one thing, that these are non-human broken plurals. Now in Arabic grammar, there is one thing, that the non-human broken plurals, they are treated as singular, right? So whenever there is this a non-human broken plural like masajid, so this is going to be taken as a singular, and it's going to be treated as a singular. And we also know from our discussion of gender that in feminine, the non-human plurals, they were considered as feminine, right? When we did the discussion on gender, we said that the non-human plurals, basically they are also feminine. So masajid, it's a non-human broken plural, so it's feminine and it's singular. Then also aklam, this is also a non-human broken plural, so this is also is going to be treated as singular, and it's going to be it's feminine. And then also the same for the kutub. So non-human broken plurals, they are treated as singular and feminine, and this is basically a rule of Arabic grammar which we have to memorize. Even if it does not make any sense, this is basically their rule. And we will learn what it means to be treated, what we mean, that when we say that a word is treated like this, it's treated singular, it's treated feminine in some way, in our future discussions. But for now, we just need to remember this rule of Arabic grammar, that whenever we have a non-human broken plural, then it is considered to be singular and feminine. So these are the two things that we just need to memorize, we need to remember as a rule of the Arabic grammar. So just a quick revision, we are doing basically ism, which is where we know that there are three types of words in Arabic, which are the ism, fail, and harf. And we are doing the ism, and we started with the properties of ism, in which we did status, rafa, nasab, jar, and all that was related to it, to that. And then we did gender, in which there was masculine and feminine, and we studied the different ways, why different reasons why a word can be feminine, like it is like biologically feminine, or there were the ta, marbuta, ya, and ending that, and then the body parts in pairs. And then there were those non-human plurals, they were also considered to be feminine. And also those were, and I think there was one more reason for the word, for the ism to be to be feminine. And now we started with the number, and we said that there are singular, pair, and then there is plural. As for the singular, we know from the Muslim chart, then the words which have the endings muslimun, un, in, or muslim, as for the, like for the feminine, muslimatun, muslimatan, muslimatin. So these were the, like the singular endings. And then we did about the pairs, that also we know from the Muslim chart, muslimani, ani, and aini endings, these means that that ism that is in pair, that is, it means it's two. And then for the feminine, muslimatani, muslimataini, muslimataini, so this was from the Muslim chart. And then we started doing the plural, in which we said that they're masculine plurals, and then there are feminine plurals. The masculine plurals we know from the Muslim chart, muslimain, muslimuna, muslimina, muslimina. The una, ina, ina endings, they were basically the masculine plurals. And then muslimatun and muslimatin, atun and atin endings, these were basically the feminine plurals. Then there were plurals by meanings, in which we had com, nas, and current. These three, their meaning is plural, so basically they are plural. And then we came to the broken plurals, in which we said that we have human broken plurals, and then we have the non-human broken plurals. Non-human broken plurals, they are treated as singular and feminine. This is basically a rule of Arabic grammar which we just need to memorize. We can tell if it is a broken plural only by knowing the meaning of the word. This will get better as our vocabulary of Arabic improves. So with with this, the property of number is also complete, and inshallah tomorrow we'll do the next property, which is basically the last property of ism, and then after that we'll start fail. That's all for today. Fi amanillah.